Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of juicing with the AAOBOSI Cold Press Juicer. We discovered this fantastic product online, and we've added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. The AAOBOSI Cold Press Juicer is a high-efficiency masticating juicer designed to extract juice from a variety of fruits and vegetables with ease. Its standout feature is the 4.45-inch wide feed chute, allowing you to throw in whole pieces of produce without the need for pre-cutting. This means you can enjoy uninterrupted juicing, making it a great option for those busy mornings or when you need a quick refreshment. One of the juicer's most impressive attributes is its juice output efficiency. The AAOBOSI juicer boasts an average of over 98% juice extraction, which minimizes waste significantly. The juice it produces is not only clear and appetizing but also retains a balanced nutritional profile. This clarity in the juice is a testament to its quality, ensuring that you're drinking something that looks good and is good for you. Now, let's talk about the motor. This juicer features an upgraded powerful 150W motor that makes it compact yet efficient for home use. It's perfect for families who want to incorporate more fresh juice into their diet without taking up too much kitchen space. You can whip up nutritious drinks for your loved ones in just a few minutes, ensuring that everyone gets their daily dose of vitamins and minerals. Cleaning up after juicing can often be a hassle, but not with the AAOBOSI juicer. Its one-piece design makes disassembly straightforward. After you're done juicing, simply power off the machine, and you can easily separate the juicing cup, propeller, and bowl for rinsing. This feature is especially handy for those who want to enjoy the benefits of fresh juice without the tedious cleanup process. Safety is also a priority with this juicer. It has built-in safety features that prevent accidental operation. For instance, if you open the cover of the feed chute while it's working, the juicer will stop immediately, ensuring your safety. Plus, if you encounter any clogging during juicing, you can simply use the reverse button to clear it out and keep the juice flowing without interruption. So, who is this juicer suitable for? If you're a health enthusiast, a busy parent, or simply someone who enjoys fresh juice, the AAOBOSI Cold Press Juicer could be a perfect fit for your kitchen. It's also great for those who want to explore a variety of juice recipes, as it handles both fruits and vegetables with ease. In practical terms, you can use this juicer to create everything from a refreshing morning green juice to a delightful evening fruit mix. Whether you're preparing a nutrient-packed juice for yourself or whipping up a healthy treat for the kids, the AAOBOSI juicer is versatile enough to meet your needs. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.